So here's a video of us fitting and cutting the solid walnut tops for the kitchen area, as well as an undermount sink and the induction hob.
Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up, right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up, right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa.
I hope you like that, and thank you for watching.